is 1/5 of the whole human population. That's a lot of dreams and lots of responsibility. But a large population can be a blessing. It gives us the largest youth workforce in the world. It creates a domestic market that attracts investment and also gives us unmatched diversity. Hundreds of languages, different religions, and a mix of cultures that make India vibrant and unique. This diversity fuels creativity, which inspires innovation and connects us to every part of the globe. It's why India is not just a country, but a living, breathing celebration of human variety. But it can also be a curse, as too many people in fierce competition for jobs, leaving many unemployed. It puts immense pressure on food, water, housing, and healthcare. Cities become more crowded, traffic worsen, and pollution rises. The truth is, population itself is not the problem. It's how we manage it. If we invest in education, create opportunities, and use our resources wisely, it becomes our greatest strength. If we fail in doing so, it becomes our greatest challenge. India's population is like a giant wave. Why we must continue to take this forward, ignoring